Hello, today we are going to change the manifold on a 150cc scooter. The manifold is a part that connects the carburetor with the engine. This one is the manifold. This one connects the carburetor to the engine. That's what brings the gas in the engine. Okay? So we need to remove the inside part of your scooter. There is two bolts right here, the 10mm bolts, and you can remove the gas cap too. So you can remove the whole inside, okay? As you can see right here, we have the carburetor. This one is the carburetor. Right in front of the carburetor, we have the manifold. To remove the manifold, you're going to need a socket wrench that is 10mm right here to remove these two bolts right here, okay? Right after you remove the two bolts at the manifold right here, you should unscrew the Phillips screw that is right here on the left side of the manifold. Right after you lose a little bit the manifold from the carburetor, you just pull her out. See, this one is the old manifold. The old manifold, this one is pretty good, but a lot of manifolds, they're made of rubber and they break very easily at the end. Right here they break very easily, okay? So this one is the vacuum line that goes to the carburetor and it goes to the petcock. That's what release from the pressure, the gas, and going to the carburetor, okay? Make sure that it's nice and clean where you're going to place the new manifold. Make sure it's clean, okay? Make sure there is no debris any kind, and make sure you don't drop nothing inside the hole of the manifold, because that goes inside the engine. So if you drop any screw or something inside there, you're going to have a big problem. So be careful what you're doing. This one is the new manifold right here. I just bought it. Those are pretty inexpensive. You know, you just buy online, and this manifold, they cost about $10 online. Okay? Make sure you connect again the vacuum line that goes to the carburetor. Now at this point you can place the manifold against the carburetor again. just place it and press it. Now when after you press it, you can screw the screw of the manifold right here. So you make it tighter to make sure there is no leak from the manifold, okay? Make sure it's nice and tight so you're not gonna lose the connection between the carburetor and the manifold. At this point you can place the carburetor back gently. Make sure you do everything gently because the carburetor and the manifold are very delicate. You can damage the screw that they go to the engine. So at that point, if you damage the screw, you have a larger problem, okay? You should check your manifold every 3,000, 5,000 miles. At this point, you can replace the bolt that they go to the manifold. You can tie the screw tight, but not too much, because if you break the screw that goes to the engine, you're going to have a larger problem, okay? Now make sure everything is nice and tight and the carburetor is okay. Make sure it doesn't wobble too much, okay? You can place the filter back. I have a short filter here with a high flow. And that's it. Okay, we just changed the manifold on a 150cc scooter. This manifold is okay for any other scooter. Just make sure you get yours right size. Make sure you use safety glasses, and if you like to use some gloves, it will be a lot better. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy and ride safe with your scooter.